Yeah. And it sucks because when you can't see your head, you can't never see this part of your head easily.
Yeah, man. She you up, bro. Like this shit here.
I'm gonna cut and remove and reattach in some spots. So we are gonna do the dye first.
Yeah, even if you got like I was gonna say that, like you gotta cut it.
Oh, she definitely got to.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it and move them around.
Fill it back in and she up.
Damn.
What's her name?
It's not an answer.
I always forget. You said it last time.
This wasn't even her. This was a different one. Like, I didn't go back to her. And I went to somebody that I actually thought knew, like they was like more with the naturals, you know, like
talking the same talk.
Yeah, because they know the lingo, but they don't know what they doing.
Cap.
Wasn't talking about. They said they don't do contracts. So.
So she tried to interlock it?
She tried.
She basically explained, like, the way she explained, like, basically, she helped my locks staying strong, but I took them down, like.
She definitely.
And I was surprised when she saw it two-stranded, to be honest. I was like, you two-stranded? And then she was like, yeah, because that, she, like, whatever she said about the loops and all this and that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know, man.
They be getting over.
This one up. She took this one through the root of another one, and then it started breaking. This is a lock through a lock.
I was like, man, I'm not gonna come back.
No, don't ever go back to whatever her.
And I feel like it's okay to be rude to somebody.
Cuss them the f out. I'm all for that.
You too nice.
Hell no, I'd cuss her the fuck out.
No more though.
Yeah, you got some work on your hand.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. What we got going on here is a return client. He actually came to me to have his locks seamlessly combined. I'll go ahead and link his video up above and down below so you guys can see where he started, where I left him, and then where he is now. And let's talk about a few things. Let's talk about accountability. This is one of those situations where it's like, fool me one time, shame on you. Fool me twice, can't put the blame on you, bars. Because when you have damage to this extent, there is absolutely no way that you don't know that there is some sort of damage going on to your hair. Whether you can physically see that part of your hair, and we do have mirrors and things like that that'll allow you access, I just can't really believe that you don't know what's going on. But if you're saying that you're entrusting a professional to help with the health of your hair, and when you go to them, your hair is not becoming healthier or is becoming more damaged, then you have to then take the accountability to say, hey, this isn't the right person for me and my hair, so I'm not going back to them. A lot of people don't realize or want to accept the fact that healthy hair, healthy skin, healthy nails, all of that external look that we're going for, all of that comes from having a healthy internal. When your diet isn't optimal and then you have stress on top of a bad diet, this is the result that you're going to get. It's going to show itself. And the worst thing that you can do is to continue to go to someone who doesn't have your best interests at heart. The health of your hair, the health of your overall body, if they don't have that at the forefront of their recommendations to you, then they don't have your best interests at heart. And it's time for you to make sure that you put your health at the forefront. If you want healthy hair, if you want healthy locks, if you don't want to be dealing with this sort of issue, then you need to make sure that you are the healthiest you. And this is a conversation that I recently had with this client. I hooked him up with some of my herbal supplements, and hopefully he'll be starting down the path of improving his diet and minimizing his stress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on your way out. We are on our road to 10K, and every subscription, every like, every comment really helps us get there. And I will see you guys in my next video.